In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to hit Privacy Controls. Select Permission Manager and click on any of your device's features to manage, like camera. Now tap on one of your apps under one of those sections. I will go with AliExpress from Not Allowed one. And apply one of those options by clicking on the best one. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to pick first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that AliExpress just gained access to my device's camera while I'm using this app. If you wish to, you can always go back and pick any feature with the most numbers of apps to find the one you wish to manage instead. In this case, it will be Contacts. Now tap on your app. Select CO permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen one the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!